Only I can press it. Only I can press it. Cause you gotta. You can't.
Let me push the button.
Why the fuck is she so strong? What?
Yes.
Fuck. Oh shit. Boy. Okay, we gotta go hide. Where's Kitty? Get the dog. It's safe, guys. It's fucking safe. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes.
Where's the cat?
Where's
everyone?
Burn. Let it burn.
Everyone?
I'm so fucking tiny. Why am I so tiny?
This is your true size, Koi.
What do you mean?
This is your true size. Oh wait, no, actually, no. Hold on.
You can make me a little bigger than that.
I'll give you a little bit bigger. I'll give you. Got a big ass head now. Hold on, let me fucking.
Let the
What do we do?
bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
Kitty, come get your fucking dog. Yeah. You streaming tomorrow? Well, you're grounded, so yeah, we'll see. What? Do you not see what the fuck you did?
It's fine. It's a flesh wound. It's fine. I got Dad's approval. Look, 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 look. Look, he's so proud.
Proud is not the word I would say right now. You know what's the fucking wild part?
What?
Apparently Discord's muted on my end.
No shit.
Son of a bitch, I'm gonna need your feed to make a cut. I'm flying off now, Koi. You ready? Hold on tight, Koi. Hold on tight.
Let's
We're
go,
gonna
Dad.
fucking fly.
Let's fly.
Let's go.
Bye bye.